Hey everybody, it's Eddie Z here, and I am absolutely stoked to show you the latest version of the world's fastest laptop for trading. This 18-inch superhero laptop is an absolute monster, and I call it the Odyssey EZ. Now, this isn't your average off-the-shelf machine. This system is fully AI ready, and that is a big deal. It runs on the new AMD Ryzen 9 9955HX processor, which has a massive benchmark score of 58,444. That makes it one of the fastest and most powerful laptop CPUs you can get right now. In fact, its power rivals some of our high-end desktop computers. And when you pair this processor with the latest Nvidia RTX graphics, you've got a machine that's not only built for speed, it's also optimized for AI performance. These two components work together to give you blazing fast order execution, clean and responsive charts, and zero slippage. This laptop is made to keep up with the speed of modern markets, modern real-time data, and help you win. And here's why that matters. Most laptops you find online or in stores are not designed for trading. They're optimized for portability, miniaturization, and battery life, and not for processing large amounts of real-time data. But the new Odyssey EZ laptop is built for absolute trading power and speed. It can handle multiple data feeds, live charts, news streams, scanners, and anything else you throw at it, all at the same time. No lag, no buffering, no delays. It also includes a discrete high-end Nvidia graphics card, and this is critical because most laptops skip this, and they force the main processor to do both the trading workload and the video output, and that can create a bottleneck. But with the Odyssey, the graphics processor handles the visual side and it handles the AI, so your CPU stays focused on what really matters, your trading software. Now let's talk about what you get. Included with this special 18-inch version of the Odyssey, several big free upgrades, including a massive 2 terabyte NVMe solid-state hard drive and a full 32 gigabytes of RAM. That solid-state hard drive is lightning fast. Your system will boot in under 20 seconds, and your trading platforms will open instantly. You're also going to get a wireless travel mouse and a beautiful laptop carrying case included at no extra cost. So here's the offer. You're going to get the 18-inch AI trading-ready Odyssey EZ laptop with all of the upgrades I just mentioned for just $31.99. That is $500 off of our normal price once you factor in all those upgrades. Now, if you really want more screen space while you're on the road, you can add 2 USB-powered travel monitors for just $4.99. They only weigh about 2 pounds, and they pull power directly from the laptop. And they fit neatly right inside your laptop bag. No wall plugs are required. Now let me sweeten this deal. We're also going to include a brand new bonus package that is loaded with 9 extras, including a headset for listening to webinars and videos, our deluxe cooling package, lifetime access to one of our top-selling courses that's called The Secrets of Trading IPOs and Newer Issues, our new Easy Speed, Optimization, and Maintenance package, and a few more surprises. All together, this bonus package is worth $1,939, but it's yours absolutely free when you get this deal. See the video on the lower part of the sale page for more information on this awesome free bonus package. The total value of this hardware, including the 18-inch Odyssey EZ laptop, the 2 terabyte solid-state hard drive, the free 32 gigabytes of RAM, the USB travel monitors, and the all-free bonus package, the total value of this package is normally $6,198. But your price today is just $36.98. That's a savings of $2,500. Plus shipping is completely free to the continental United States. And also, don't forget, all of our computers come with lifetime technical support. If you've ever dealt with Dell or HP support, you know how painful that can be. Our tech support team is in-house, they speak perfect English, and they only deal with traders. This is a premium service. They know these machines inside and out, and they're here to help you with anything that comes up, from Windows problems to malware to performance issues. And it's all included for the lifetime of the computer. You can also finance your purchase if you'd like, 0% for 3 months, or stretch your payment out over 36 months. And checking to see what you qualify for will not affect your credit score. And we have financing for all credit types. If your credit is good, that's fantastic. If your credit sucks, we have something for you too. Just click the Pay Over Time banner and you'll see how much you qualify for. So, if you are interested in the world's most powerful 18-inch laptop for trading, go ahead and click the link located in the description. This very special deal is only for a limited time. And if you've got any questions, you are welcome to call me personally. 800-387-5250, option number 1. But just a heads up, when we run these promotions, the phones tend to go crazy. And if for whatever reason you can't get through right away, just try back in a few minutes, especially on a Friday or right after the market closes. The earlier you call in the day, the better. Go ahead and check out that 18-inch EZ laptop right now. Click the link in the description. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, come on, man. I've got your back on the technology you need for trading. Nobody on this planet supports their customers the way we do. This is Eddie Z. Thanks for watching, and may the trend be with you.